everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix common error in BeReal. To fix common error in BeReal, first check your internet connection. So you need to swipe down from the top, long press the internet, and then what here you need to do is you need to simply go ahead and maybe you could turn off your Wi-Fi for a while, or then you could also try reconnecting to a internet or a mobile data. That should be able to fix. If not, you could also restart your router or modem. That might also be able to help. If that doesn't work, sometimes a simple restart can also fix. So hold on to your side button and then restart your device and see whether that works or not. If the issue still persists on, what you could actually do is open up your BeReal application and then you tap on the profile initials from the bottom, go to the gear icon from the top and click on logout. Do this step for twice, or you could log out and log in back. That should be able to help as well. If that doesn't seem to be working out, you could also try clearing your app cache. Head over to your settings on your device, open up app from the list and click on BeReal, and then you want to click on storage and cache. Now click on clear cache. Clear storage is going to delete your data, so only tap on clear cache. That should also work as well. If nothing works out despite all this, then you could simply contact customer support, or maybe install or maybe uninstall it and reinstall it. That should be able to fix as well. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.